back to our e-waste class. I hope you all are fine. So yes, today we will be completing this chapter summary, and also we will be starting with the bookwork if the time will be left for this. So yes, in the previous sessions I told you about some places, like we read about Kerala, Kashmir and Meghalaya. Right. So Harris told us about the Kerala, and Ali told us about the Kashmir, and Chung told us about the Meghalaya. So today we will be learning more about this chapter. So today we will be learning about place Rajasthan, and about this Monica will tell. So let's start reading like what she is saying us about Rajasthan, and I hope all of you know about its capital. So what is the capital of Rajasthan? Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, right? Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. So yes, looking at Monica's face, now the next turn is of Monica. Everyone knows about it कि next turn Monica की है, and everyone knows that she belongs from Rajasthan, right? It is the one of the largest states of India in terms of area. Area के बारे में अगर बात करें, that is a very largest state of India, and it falls in the Great Indian Desert. सबसे बड़ा Indian desert कहाँ है? That is which desert is that? That is the Thar Desert, which is in Rajasthan. The Thar Desert, right? So वो सबसे बड़ा डेजर्ट है, कहाँ है? राजस्थान में है. And here we are talking about the Monica, and she said Rajasthan is full of natural beauty and is a great attraction to tourists. Both Indian and foreigners come there and visit that place. That is very beautiful place. That is very natural place, we can say, full of sand it is, right? So yes, So she told us about the place, that is the Thar Desert, which is very biggest desert, and mostly tourists came there and visit that place. And yes, there are so many places in Jaipur, and there are lakes of Udaipur and the forts of Jodhpur, Bikaner and Jaisalmer. These are the most preferred destination जो टूरिस्ट कहते हैं कि वहाँ पर विजिट स्पेशल विजिट करने आते हैं टूरिस्ट इन प्लेसेस पे. दीज आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस लाइक जोधपुर, बीकानेर, जैसलमेर. राजस्थान इज अ वेरी बिगेस्ट प्लेस. बहुत बड़ा है. इट इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट जो कह सकते हैं हम. एंड यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं दैट वी कैन सी. Lots of places are there like which are very famous to visit, and many old places and forts have been converted into heritage. जो बहुत पुरानी हवेली थी या जगहें थी, फोर्ट थे, उनको अब हेरिटेज हेरिटेज होटल्स बना दिए गए हैं. वहाँ पर होटल्स बना दिए हैं, वहाँ पर जाकर लोग रहते हैं. And then she told us about the Jantar Mantar and Dilwara Temple and Lake Place, City Palace and Chittorgarh Fort, Jaisalmer Havelis. These are the others places worth visiting. ये बहुत अच्छी places हैं. Jaipur, as you all know, Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. That is, its state capital is Jaipur, and it is known as the Pink City. Right, Pink City. It is very, इसमें सारा जो एरिया है ऑलरेडी पिंक कलर का कर दिया गया था. सो फॉर इट्स एंशियंट हाउसेज मेड ऑफ अ टाइप ऑफ सैंडस्टोन दैट हैज अ पिंक कलर. उनका जो सैंडस्टोन है वो पिंक कलर का है वहाँ. एंड अजमेर इज फेमस. नाउ इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द अजमेर, देयर अजमेर वहाँ पर एक प्लेस है, और वहाँ पर जो अजमेर है वो फेमस, इट इज फेमस फॉर द श्राइन ऑफ ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती. एक पर्सन थे, और वो एक सूफी संत थे. ठीक है, उनकी वो श्राइन क्या होती है? श्राइन इज द पर्टिकुलर प्लेस ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, लाइक रिलीजियस से रिलेटेड होती. तो एक सूफी संत थे, उनकी वहां पर श्राइन बनी हुई थी. ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती के नाम उनका नाम था. ठीक है. सो राजस्थानी ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस फॉर फीमेल्स कंप्राइजेज एन एंकल लेंथ स्कर्ट होती थी. ठीक है, और एंकल लेंथ स्कर्ट एंड अ शॉर्ट टॉप, वो उनकी वहां की वुमेन्स की ड्रेस थी, फीमेल्स की. इट इज नॉन एज लहंगा एंड चोली. राइट, एंड अ पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ नोन एज ओढ़नी, और उनके सिर पे जो कवर होता था उसको लाइक दुपट्टा वी कैन से, दैट इज ओढ़नी उसको बोलते थे, इट इज यूज्ड टू कवर द हेड। एंड दे आल्सो वियर जुत्तीज, अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ सैंडल्स, जुत्तीज होती हैं जो मोस्टली ट्रेडिशनल वे में आती है, पंजाबीज भी उन्हें पहनते जुत्तीज, तो वो डिफरेंट टाइप के सैंडल्स होते थे, वो वियर करते थे। And if we are talking about the costumes of men, that men wear dhoti and an upper garment called अंगरखा, ठीक है। तो वो ये चीज पहनते थे, और उनके हेड भी कवर होते थे विद द टर्बन, और पगड़ी इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ देयर ड्रेस। यू कैन सी ऑन द पिक्चर इन योर बुक गिवन, सो दैट इज अ राजस्थानी कपल is showing here. So yes, Rajasthan is often called a shopper's paradise, mainly shopper's paradise क्यों कहा जाता है, वहां पर बहुत सुंदर सुंदर ज्वेलरी होती है, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स एंड क्लॉथ्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, विच आर आई कैचिंग एंड इनवाइट शॉपर्स, लाइक जो हम अगर हम मार्केट में गए हैं तो वी कैन नॉट कम बैक, लाइक हम खाली हाथ वापिस नहीं आएंगे, वी विल परचेज समथिंग। So it is that place. So the Ghumar dance from Udaipur and Kalbelia dance from Jaisalmer, they have gained international recognition. They are very famous dance, and even we also know about the Ghumar dance and Kalbelia. Yeah, so it's Kalbelia dance. Ghumar dance, it is from Udaipur, and Kalbelia dance is from Jaisalmer. They are very much gain international recognition. And folk music, which is an important part of Rajasthani culture, वहाँ पर folk music सुना जाता है। कठपुतली और पपेट्री एंड पपेट शोज आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल राजस्थानी आर्ट फॉर्म। आपने देखे होंगे कठपुतली के शोज होते हैं, पपेट शो होते हैं, sometimes TV में भी आ रहे होते हैं, and we can see on the YouTube videos also there. So we were so engrossed in the presentation that we didn't realize that the period was, मतलब इनकी जब presentation ऐसे चल रही थी, it was very interesting. Everyone was telling us about the different places, right? So yes, they enjoyed this event they enjoyed this presentation very much. And yeah, now this chapter is almost completed. We are starting with the bookwork. Everyone open your book and let's see what we have to do. So first of all, open everyone page number 99. There are 2 MCQs given. Page number 99. MCQs are given there. So first of all, we will be doing that. Okay, so the first MCQ given is, yeah. First MCQ is given, people of Kerala are very fond of dash. People of Kerala are very fond of dash. किस चीज़ की उनको बहुत ज़्यादा fond थी, किस चीज़ का शौक था उनको बहुत ज़्यादा? So examples are options are given to us, dance, music, and both हैं A and B. So which one is the correct? You know, Kerala people like dance also and music also. So yes, the correct answer is C option, that is both A and B. Both A and B. Correct? So put tick on it, C option. Then second MCQ is, which city is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? So capital of Jammu and Kashmir is, you all know, that is, yeah, options are given, Jaipur, Assam, or Srinagar. So capital, yes, you all are correct, that is Srinagar. Right? Do it fast, tick on the C option again. Now move on to the next page. On the next page, you can see to tick the correct statements are given. We have to see which statement is correct. We will put tick, and the statement is wrong. We will put cross. So the first statement is, Ajmer is famous for the shrine of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Is it correct? अभी हमने read किया about the Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, and where it is. The shrine of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti is in Ajmer. So, yes, this statement is correct. So, put tick on it. Right? Then next is, Jammu and Kashmir is called the adobe of clouds. Is it true? Jammu and Kashmir is called the adobe of clouds. No, it is not true because Meghalaya is known as the adobe of clouds. So this statement we will be putting cross in front of this. Okay, again on the same page number MCQs are given. Two more MCQs we have. First MCQ is land of coconut trees. Now which state is land of coconut trees? केरला, तमिलनाडु और उत्तर प्रदेश. सबसे ज्यादा कोकोनट्स कहाँ होते हैं? Which is the land of coconut trees? That is Kerala. So option number A is correct. That is Kerala. Okay, Kerala is famous for the coconut trees and the beautiful land. Then second is Kathakali is a famous dance of dash. Kathakali कहाँ का famous dance है? It is again the same Gujarat, Kashmir और Kerala. Which one is the correct? Yes, it is again Kerala. So C option is correct. That is Kerala. Understand? Now move on to the next page number 101. On the next page number, section A, we can see two more MCQs are given to us. Right? So firstly fill in the blanks are given to us. Fill-ups are given to us. We will be doing that. So the first fill-up is so Dal Lake is a famous tourist spot of dash. So as you all know about the Dal Lake, we read in 3rd class also. So it is it is a famous tourist spot of dash. Where it is? It is in Srinagar. It is in Srinagar. Then second is dash in Meghalaya is one of the places that receive the heaviest rainfall in the world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा रेन कहाँ होती है? I told you in the previous video. Yes, do you know the answer? It is related with the Meghalaya. It is Mason Ram. It is Mason Ram, and Mason Ram in Meghalaya is one of the places that receive the heaviest rainfall in the world. So write MEWSYNRAM, Mason Ram. Mason Ram is in Meghalaya, of the places that receive the heaviest rainfall in the world. Then next is dash is the capital of Meghalaya. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. And again let's repeat it, which is the Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. And then second we are talking about Jammu and Kashmir. Capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar, and capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. And the fourth one we read about the Rajasthan. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Okay. So yes, fill in the blanks are done. Now 2 MCQs are given. So yes, first MCQ is which state of India is known as paradise on earth, or we can say heaven on earth. So which state of India is known as the paradise on earth? Yes, do you know the answer? That is Jammu and Kashmir. Right? So you will be putting on the tick on the option number B, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Then second is the shrine of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti is in dash. कौन से place पे है? Options are given Agra, Jaipur और Ajmer. So yes, अभी हमने उसके बारे में पढ़ा, that is in Ajmer. So yes, you all have to do it in your book. So today we had done with the book work, and in the next session we will be starting with the notebook work in the next session. So yes, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye all and take care.